Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your progress. Immediately back up your saved squads and the Live Editor folder to an external location so you can revert if needed. Once done, confirm your FIFA 23 build number so the editor you use matches the game. Mismatches break edits. Next, close FIFA and the launcher and disable Cloud Sync so no online save overwrites local changes. This ensures a stable baseline. Now you're ready to run the only way process that edits and injects the correct files safely. Run the editor with administrator rights and open the backup save so changes are isolated. Then apply only the necessary edits, rosters, appearance, or player attributes, avoiding sweeping database rewrites that trigger anti-cheat or corruption. Once edits are complete, save to a new file name and export the modified files using the editor's built-in export routine. This preserves the original. Make sure to check the exported file's checksum or size to confirm a valid export before moving on. Move the exported files into the FIFA Live Edit folder, replacing the active files but keeping originals in a backup folder just in case. Then launch FIFA offline and check the edited squads and player data in a quick exhibition match or squad screen to verify everything applied. If you see corruption, freezes, or missing edits, immediately restore the backed up originals, compare checksums to find the difference, reopen the editor, and re-export a corrected file. That troubleshooting loop fixes the vast majority of problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.